Okay, here's the tools you'll need to do this. You're going to need a 6mm hex wrench, 10mm open-ended wrench, and one of the new 100mm wheels. Okay, here we go. We're going to take this wheel and remove it. We're going to go to the inside of the bag and place the wrench on the nut. And place the hex wrench on the outside of the bag and loosen the axle bolt and then push it through. And then reinsert that axle and reinstall the nut on the other side of the bolt, and tighten it back up, and voila, a completed assembly. For a list of all the parts that require a 100mm wheel, look on the eaglecreek.com warranty website under the spare parts. Click on each one of the wheels and it will show you exactly which item it goes to. Thank you.